Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz News channel. In today's video, guess who is dancing? We have 20 questions lined up for you and you have 10 seconds to answer each one. Every correct answer will earn you 1 point. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Whose dance is this?
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena.
Exactly, it's Luigi.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena.
Question 2. Can you guess who's dancing?
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena.
It's Mario dance.
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena.
Question 3. Would you rather dance with Luigi or dance with Mario?
Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena. Dala tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosa buena.
Which character would you like to dance with? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 4. Who's dancing this song? It's 1-2 buckle my shoe dance trend. Question 5. Who owns this dance?
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes, dip skibidi dip.
Perfect. It's Skibidi Bop. Yes, yes, yes.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes, dip skibidi dip.
Question 6. Do you recognize this one?
Mr. Lover lover lover, now Mr. Lover lover.
Oh wow, it's Mr. Bean.
Mr. Lover lover lover, now Mr. Lover lover.
Question 7. Can you find a real Mr. Bean? Time's up. The correct answer is A. Question 8. Which character is dancing? That's right, it's Peyton DeLue. Question 9. Who owns this dance?
Choose to believe in where we're from.
Amazing, it's Minion.
Choose to believe in where we're from.
Question 10. Can you guess who's dancing? Wonderful! That's Princess Peach. Question 11. Whose dance is this?
Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
You're so good. That's Elsa.
Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Question 12. Princess Peach versus Princess Elsa. Which princess do you like to dance more?
Look at you, now look at me. How you like that?
Which princess do you like to dance more? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 13. Which character is dancing?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands.
Amazing! It's Sonic Dance.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands.
Question 14. Sonic vs Minion. Whose dance do you think is more beautiful?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands.
You still believe in where we're from.
Whose dance do you think is more beautiful? Let us know by leaving a comment below. Question 15. Can you guess who's dancing?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
That's Wednesday Dance.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Question 16. Who's dancing this song?
She wasn't on a runner, she wanted a runner.
Exactly. The correct answer is Alish Mother.
She wasn't on a runner, she wanted a runner.
Question 17. Who holds this dance? You're amazing. It's Gunter. Question 18. It's Toka Toka. Question 19. Guess who's dancing?
I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
Yes, it's John Cena dancing.
I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I find a lover that could hold me.
Question 20. Can you guess who's dancing?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Who do you think is dancing? Please leave your answer in the comment section below to let us know. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Comment to let me know how many questions you answered correctly and how many points you have won. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun games like this.